Hello, in this video I will show you how to change loadout in Warzone 3. Now it's an extremely easy process. So for doing this, what you have to do is first open your game. Now once you're in your game, you should be in your lobby first. Now, in order to actually unlock the loadout setting, you will need to be at least level 4. As you can see, I'm currently level 5. Now, in order to change loadouts, you have to go to the weapon section right over here and then create a new loadout. So click on the select option right over here, and as you can see, my current loadout is the loadout 2 that I just created. So by default you will only have one loadout, but you can create multiple loadouts. As you can see right over here, you can create up to 10 loadouts. So what you would do is create a new loadout by choosing this option, then choose the guns that you've already unlocked. So just simply click on the edit option, then choose the gun that you would like in your loadout. Now again, you will have to unlock all the guns by playing the game itself. As you can see, they are all locked because I haven't exactly unlocked any one of them because I need higher level to unlock them. So I will need to play the game to unlock them. Now once you have selected the gun, go back and select the other weapons as well, like handguns and sidearms. You can also select the tactical gear and the lethal gear and other stuffs as well, as you can see right over here. Once you're done with all of it, all you have to do is just simply go back and just simply favorite your new loadout. Right click, set to favorite, and that will be your default loadout. Now if you go back, you will see the loadout 3 is my now default loadout. Now once you will go inside the game, you will be able to switch between all the loadouts that is currently present. As you can see right over here, I have 3. When you will be on the loadout section page, just simply choose the loadout that you just made or the loadout that you would like, and then you will be good to go. So that is it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.